Have you ever wondered how sand transforms into sparkling glass? Get ready to be amazed as we take a 3D journey into the world of glassmaking, revealing the secrets behind this captivating craft. Glass may seem magical, but it all starts with just 3 simple ingredients: sand, soda, ash, and limestone. Sand, mostly made of quartz, provides the basic building blocks. Soda ash helps lower the melting temperature, making the process more energy efficient. And limestone adds strength and durability to the final glass. Once the raw materials, sand, soda ash, and limestone, are carefully measured and mixed, the real transformation begins. This mixture is fed into a furnace heated above 1,700 degrees Celsius. Hotter than molten lava. Inside this fiery chamber, the rigid grains of sand break down and merge. Soda ash lowers the melting point, limestone improves durability, all working together to form a glowing, molten liquid. After melting, the molten glass cools slightly to a workable temperature. This first cooling allows the glass to thicken just enough to be handled safely, but it's still glowing and soft, ready for shaping. Now the glowing molten glass is ready to take form. Craftsmen use various techniques depending on the product. In glass blowing, a glob of molten glass is gathered on a hollow tube, then shaped by carefully blowing air into it, forming bottles, vases, or bulbs. For plates or lenses, molten glass is poured into molds and pressed with a plunger to get precise shapes. To make flat sheets for windows and mirrors, molten glass flows over molten tin, creating perfectly smooth panels. After shaping, the glass may look finished, but inside it's still under tension. If cooled too quickly, it could crack or shatter. So, the glass enters the annealing layer, a controlled tunnel, where it cools slowly from over 600 degrees Celsius to room temperature. This gradual cooling relieves internal stresses, making the glass strong, stable, and ready for real-world use. Before glass leaves the factory, it must pass quality control. Each piece is carefully checked for bubbles, cracks, scratches, or distortions. Experts and automated machines inspect every detail, ensuring only flawless glass moves forward. Defective pieces are recycled or remelted. Next comes scoring and sorting. Glass is graded by clarity, strength, and uniformity for its specific purpose: windows, mirrors, lenses, or decorative items. Top-grade glass heads for commercial packaging, while lower grades get a second chance through recycling. Large glass sheets are cut to exact sizes. Using diamond-tipped wheels or laser-guided scorers, the glass is lightly scored. Then, it's snapped along the score line, breaking cleanly. Edges are polished or beveled to ensure safety and durability. Some glass undergoes controlled breaking to test strength and safety. Destructive testing helps engineers understand weaknesses and improve future designs. Edge trimming prepares glass for final finishing and inspection. Finally, the glass is carefully transported. Special equipment and protective packaging ensure no damage during movement. From factory to destination, every piece is handled with care, ready to sparkle in homes, buildings, and technology worldwide. Finally, the finished glass is carefully packed and transported. Thanks for joining us on this incredible 3D journey, from humble sand to sparkling glass. If you loved diving into the science and craft behind everyday wonders, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell on Model Minds 3D for more fascinating explorations. Keep your mind curious and your world inspired.